Hi guys, today I'll be showing something different. Making the bed because of public demand. So this is our bed. This is my room. So I want to start by spreading my bed. How I spread my bed with one hand. Yes. So I start by straightening the first bed sheets. This is the front side. This is where I face my head. So I straighten it like this. So then I take the partner. This one you will face it inside out. Can you see? So when I straighten two like this. Like that. After straightening it, now you fold like this. Straighten it. Maybe these are clean bed sheets, so make sure the bed sheets are clean when you're making your bed. So mahali nimeharibu, wacha ni straighten uzoe pana juu ya kitanda. Imagine using one hand, imagine. One hand, no help from my brother or my sisters or my mother or my dad. So now straighten the blanket. Then fold it like that. Kama hoteli tu. Kama ukienda kwa hoteli unakutanga bed zimestraighteniwa the same way. Sipende bana. Straighten hivi. You see? Just straighten like this. It's very neat. When you place it, we fold. Alafu we come to the bed cover. Coming to the bed cover. I straighten bado. Na kama ukiona bedsheets blankets zako ziko na dust, unazitoa nje na unazipeleka mahali pa kuoshwa. Dry cleaning hawezi kosa kukuoshea in affordable price. So kama huwezi osha bedsheets, na blanket unaenda tu kwa dry clean at affordable prices. Alafu after that, after straightening, unakuja tena una fold. And this is how I make my bed. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chef Lois and Lifestyle. Thank you very much. Now after spreading my bed, I'm folding clothes, and now I'm going to introduce it. The skirts, the tops, the trousers, the t-shirts, and the scarves. And I have arranged them into clusters. Well, this is my dress, which is inside out. So now I will just turn it over. Then I put it like this. Straighten it, then I fold it like that, and I fold that. Now I take this other dress, I fold it like that. You see I'm missing one hand, this one is just for supporting. This is the skirts. Just fold it. Fold like this, then fold it like that. This is another skirt. Fold it like this. So that it will be equal.